In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set the properties that appear when creating records in HubSpot. This is incredibly useful if you want to control what fields your team sees when they create a new contact, company, deal, ticket, or even a custom object like projects or applications. Customizing this properly keeps your data clean, consistent, and easy to manage. So if you want more control over your HubSpot setup, you're in the right place. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tips and step-by-step guides. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is go to your HubSpot settings. Log into your HubSpot account, and in the top navigation bar, click on the gear icon to open settings. Once you're inside the settings area, look to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a section labeled Objects. Click on Objects, and then choose the object you want to customize. This could be a standard object like contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, or it could be a custom object such as projects, applications, or orders, depending on your HubSpot subscription. After selecting the object, you'll be taken to that object settings page. At the top of the page, make sure you're in the correct properties section. For example, you might see options like contact properties, company properties, deal properties, or ticket properties. Click into the relevant properties area for the object you want to edit. This is where you control which fields exist and how they behave. Now here's where the customization happens. To control what appears when creating a new record, you'll need to adjust the properties shown in the Create form. First, to add a property, click on Add Property. A panel will open where you can search for an existing property. Once you find the property you want to include, select it and add it to the creation form. This ensures that whenever someone creates a new record, that field will be visible and available to fill out. If there's a property you don't want users to see during record creation, you can remove it. Simply hover over the property in the list and you'll see the option to remove. Click Remove and it will no longer appear in the Create Record form. This is especially helpful if you want to simplify the experience for your sales or support team and only show the most important fields. You can also reorder the properties to control the flow of information. Just click and drag the properties into the order you prefer. Think carefully about this order. Typically, you'll want the most important or required fields at the top, followed by secondary information. A logical structure makes data entry faster and reduces errors. Once you've added, removed, and reordered the properties to match your needs, the final step is to save your changes. After saving, the updated property layout will apply immediately to all users who have access to create records for that object, unless specific permissions restrict them. That means your entire team will now see the updated set of fields whenever they create a new record. And that's it. You've successfully customized the properties that appear when creating records in HubSpot. This small adjustment can make a big difference in keeping your CRM organized and ensuring your team captures the right information every time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.